Why do 99% of people fail with money? What's holding them back from financial success? In today's video, we are diving into the 7 reasons why most people never get ahead with their finances. Stay tuned because you might discover the exact reasons that have been holding you back and how to overcome them. Number 1. Lack of financial education. Imagine walking into a maze blindfolded, trying to find your way out without any guidance. That's what navigating the financial world without education feels like. Take the story of Emily, a recent college graduate who landed her first job. Excited by her newfound independence, she leased an upscale apartment and bought a brand new car. However, within a few months, Emily was drowning in debt and struggling to keep up with her bills. No one had taught her the basics of budgeting, saving, or managing credit. Contrast this with Tom, who took a personal finance course in high school. Tom learned about budgeting, the importance of saving, and the dangers of high-interest debt. When he started his first job, he created a budget, set up a savings plan, and avoided unnecessary debt. As a result, Tom built a financial cushion and felt secure. Even when unexpected expenses arose, Emily's struggle and Tom's success highlights the crucial role of financial education. Without it, people are more likely to make poor financial decisions, leading to stress and financial instability. But with the right knowledge, anyone can navigate the financial maze confidently, making informed decisions that pave the way to financial success. If you're enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down your thoughts. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. Number 2. Living beyond the means. Imagine a life where every dollar you earn is already spent, often on things you don't need. This was John's reality. John had a well-paying job, but he constantly felt broke. He drove a luxury car, wore designer clothes, and dined at the finest restaurant. His friends envied his lifestyle, but they didn't see the mounting credit card debts and sleepless nights worrying about how to pay the bills. Then there's Lisa, who took a different approach. She also had a good job, but she lived modestly. Instead of a luxury car, she drove a reliable used vehicle. Rather than dining alone every night, she cooked at home and enjoyed meals with friends on special occasions. Lisa's choices allowed her to save a significant portion of her income, build an emergency fund, and invest in her future. John's story is all too common, with many people stretching their finances to keep up appearances. Lisa's story, on the other hand, shows the power of living within one's means. By prioritizing needs over wants and making mindful spending decisions, Lisa avoided the stress and financial instability that plagued John. Her disciplined approach allowed her to build a secure financial foundation and achieve long-term goals. Number 3. Lack of a budget. Picture trying to navigate a city without a map. That's what managing money without a budget feels like. Sarah and Mike, a young couple, constantly found themselves short on cash and arguing about finances. They had no idea where their money was going each month. The stress of unpaid bills and the inability to save for the future was taking a toll on their relationship. One day, Sarah and Mike decided to track every expense for a month. They discovered that they were spending a fortune on dining out and impulsive shopping. By creating a budget, they could allocate their money more effectively. They set limits on discretionary spending and prioritized savings and debt repayment. Within months, they saw a significant improvement in their financial situation. They had money left over at the end of each month, started saving for vacation, and their arguments about money decreased. Compare the situation to Ben, who never budgeted. Ben earned a decent salary but was constantly broke. He couldn't explain where his money went and lived paycheck to paycheck. Without a budget, he was unable to control his spending or save for the future. Sarah in my story illustrates the transformative power of budgeting. By creating a clear plan for the money, they gained control over their finances, reduced stress, and started working towards their goals. Ben's story, on the other hand, shows the chaos and uncertainty that comes from living without a financial plan. A budget is not just about tracking expenses, it's a tool that helps you take charge of financial life and achieve your dreams. Number 4. Not saving for emergencies. Life is unpredictable, and without an emergency fund, unexpected expenses can wreak havoc on your finances. Take Lisa, for example. She was a successful graphic designer, earning a good income. But when her company suddenly downsized, Lisa found herself without a job. She had no emergency savings to fall back on and quickly resorted to using credit cards to cover her expenses. The debt piled up and the stress was overwhelming. In contrast, consider Jack, who faced a similar job loss. However, Jack had built an emergency fund over the years, setting aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. When he lost his job, Jack was able to cover his bills and focus on finding a new position without the immediate financial pressure. His emergency savings provided a crucial safety net, allowing him to make thoughtful decisions without the desperation that comes from financial insecurity. These two stories highlight the importance of having an emergency fund. Lisa's experience shows how quickly a lack of savings can lead to debt and financial strain. Meanwhile, Jack's preparedness illustrates the peace of mind and security that comes from having a financial cushion. An emergency fund is essential for weathering life's unexpected storms and maintaining financial stability. Number 5. Relying on one source of income. Imagine you're walking a tightrope with no safety net below. Any slip could spell disaster. This was Tim's reality. He had a stable job as an engineer, but when his company faced financial difficulties, Tim was laid off. With no additional income streams, he struggled to pay his bills and fell into debt. His financial security vanished overnight, leaving him anxious and desperate. Contrast this with Jane, who also had a stable job but understood the importance of diversifying her income. In addition to her day job, Jane ran a small online business and invested in dividend-paying stocks. When her company downsized, Jane wasn't worried. Her additional income streams provided a financial buffer, allowing her to maintain her lifestyle and search for new job opportunities without immediate pressure. These stories demonstrate the critical need for multiple income sources. Tim's experience shows the vulnerability of relying solely on one paycheck. Without backup, any disruption can lead to financial chaos. Jane's approach, on the other hand, highlights the security and peace of mind that come from diversification. By having multiple income streams, you create a safety net that cushions against job loss and other financial shocks, paving the way for greater stability and wealth building opportunities. Number 6. Emotional spending. Imagine Karen, who turns to shopping whenever she feels stressed or unhappy. Each purchase provides a brief sense of relief, but her credit card debt keeps growing and her financial situation worsens. One day, she realizes she maxed out her card and struggles to make ends meet, adding to her stress and anxiety. Now, consider Alex, who also felt the urge to spend emotionally but decided to break the cycle. He identified his triggers and replaced shopping with healthier habits like exercising and journaling. Alex also set a small monthly budget for treats, ensuring he stayed in control. This change allows him to pay off debt, save money, and achieve financial stability. Current story is a common one. Emotional spending leads to debt and financial stress. Alex's proactive approach shows that by recognizing and addressing emotional spending, you can transform your financial health and overall well-being. Number 7. Lack of long-term planning. Consider Sam, who lives paycheck to paycheck, spending every dollar without thinking about the future. He has no retirement savings, no emergency fund, and no investments. When his car breaks down, Sam is forced to take out a high-interest loan, pushing him deeper into debt. As he ages, the anxiety of having no financial cushion grows, leaving him constantly stressed about his future. Now, think of Alex, who takes a proactive approach. Alex sets clear financial goals, saving for retirement, building an emergency fund, and investing wisely. He contributes regularly to his 401k and has a diversified portfolio. When unexpected expenses arise, Alex handles them with ease. Thanks to his emergency fund, Alex's careful planning provides him with financial stability and peace of mind. Sam's lack of planning leads to financial instability and stress, while Alex's foresight ensures a secure and prosperous future. This stark contrast underscores the importance of long-term financial planning for lasting success and security. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.